Hello learners. Welcome back to another exciting video. In today's session, we are going to dive into JavaScript events. We'll cover the concepts in a simple way and also walk through some practical demonstrations to help you understand how events works. And don't forget, I have a bonus tip for you at the end of the video, so make sure you stick around till the end. Before we move ahead, let's first understand the definition of JavaScript events. In simple terms, events in JavaScript are actions or occurrences that happen in the browser, like clicking a button, submitting a form, or loading a web page. JavaScript allows us to respond to these events, enabling us to create dynamic and interactive web experiences. Now, let's take a look at a quick example to see how this works in action. Now, let's talk about the addEventListener function. This is the modern and flexible way to attach events in JavaScript. It allows you to add multiple event listeners for the same event type and provides greater control over how events are handled. Let's jump into a demonstration to see how it works in practice. As on mouse hovering of the heading, the background and heading color changes, and on removing the mouse pointer away it turns back into white. By using addEventListener we can add multiple events to our JavaScript. Let's add the click event to the button using addEventListener. In the same way, there are many different events you can use to make your website more interactive and engaging. To explore the full list of event listeners for various scenarios, you can even use ChatGPT to quickly get a complete list tailored to your needs. That's all for this video. I hope I was able to explain every part of the code and its execution in a simple and easy to understand way. If you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to drop a comment. I'll make sure to reply. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more such content. See you very soon in the next video. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Bye.